Hi, this is Luke Tota Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 7366. It's ramping the 6 2015 to the current shape. There's an M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 5-speed manual transmission. This is the M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front master switch. Heat AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,